Hello, I'm Savage Jim, and I just wanted to go over the unpackaging of this free Lego set that I picked up from the Lego store the other day. I purchased about $35 worth of products at the Lego store, and for doing so I got this extra reward, this packaged gift for free pretty much from the store. The set number is 30222, and age range is 5 to 12, 33-piece set. So no box, but for a free set, I guess you can't complain. Anyways, let's get started. Oh, that's pretty quaint right there. Cute little instructions manual. Let's have a quick look at it. First time. Oh, it's backwards? No, it's a fold-out. Look at that. It's like a road map. 8 steps, 1-page set of instructions, and here are all the pieces. Oh, look at that. Your standard for Policeman that come in most Lego City Police sets. Front printing, leg printing, like that. Even some back printing. And of course it's in the style of a flight uniform. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and begin to commence to put together the helicopter. According to the instruction sheet, it should be done in 8 simple sets. Please bear with me. This is my first time ever to put together a set while recording myself, so I'm going to pause a whole lot as far as speaking goes, but just simply watch as I go along. This goes together rather quickly, so it's very simple here to do, it looks like. I'm trying to keep my hands in view of the camera here so we can see what's going on. It looks like you got a spare visor piece for the policeman's air helmet. Alright, I got these little blue flasher lights to the left and right side of this mini copter. Ah, nicely done. You know, here's a piece that's a piece of nostalgia. I haven't seen a piece like that in a long time. Let's see, his tail rotor assembly starts to go like that. There's this forward canopy. Nice. That goes up and down to put the policeman in. I think I'm going to go ahead and put him into the helicopter right now. Well, you get to ride the helicopter while it's still on the assembly line there, buddy. Got the primary rotor assembly, the lifting rotor assembly, the stabilizing rotor assembly, and voila! That took me less than 2 minutes to do right there, and I still have a few pieces left over to boot. And there you go. Set number 30222, Lego City Police Helicopter. Assembled in under 2 minutes flat. This is Savage Jim, signing out.